In Bangkok, local restaurants and street food are the rhythm of the life. They are not advertised very much and many of them don't even have a website. But they have good recipe and great taste. It is good, but little spicy. Too much food. I also tried chicken, but it was so hot. You will find them in small street or hidden quiet neighborhood. Some of them have only handwritten menu, but you will feel the sincere, they are very kind. After eating too much, there is desert time. Big grocery and 24 hours open. Currently, I am in a very beautiful local restaurant not far from Bangkok. Let's try pad thai with shrimps and chicken. I think it was one of the best pad thai I have ever tried in Thailand. Really? No separator? And dinner time. I think the menu is cool.
Also soda.
The grilled beef. A little bit sour, but it's good. In street food, they focus on a single food, specializing in a single dish. For example, one seller only cooks grilled chicken and beef, and the other seller sells only noodles. They are very expert and sometimes you need to wait because it may be crowded. As I see, generally street food is okay. Of course, I cannot promise that it is totally clean and healthy, because I don't know. But here, street food in big night market didn't affect my stomach bad for now. I think they are more careful than other countries because it is a lifestyle here, important for locals and also tourists. But as I tell, I cannot promise. Cheese and chicken. Very delicious. Very good. You can also find clothes here. There are first-hand or second-hand clothes here and I think they are looking okay. something like pancake, I think. Chinatown, very famous food place in Bangkok. It is a place for Chinese and Thai food. One of the most exciting and colorful area in Bangkok. It is very famous with street food, bright neon lights and busy street with full of energy. When you walk here, it feels like a different world. Full of smells, full of colors and sounds. I think if you like food, this place is for you. JJ Market, the largest market in Thailand and one of the biggest in the world. It is located in northern Bangkok and open generally only on weekend, Saturday and Sunday. There are more than 10,000 sellers and approximately between 100 and 200,000 people visit every weekend. It is a place for cloth, fashion, bag, handmade craft, plant, book, furniture, vintage item, lots of food, drink and many more. It is really big, so be careful, don't be lost. It will be a very tiring trip, so I recommend you have at least half day here to see many different things. The atmosphere is fun and local. There are many tourists here, of course, but also many locals. Thai people enjoy shopping and eating here. Bagel. like a labyrinth. I am lost or what? Where is my way? So correct. Where I am going? Definitely very big. I think you can find any cloth you want in that market. It is very huge market and really big. I will show you some prices in an average cafe. That is very traditional here. Thai dessert, mango sticky rice. And there are many different meals with fried rice. And also something like salad, papaya salad. And noodles. And that's all. Walk, 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 walk.